I'm going to start. Hello friends, if you want to create a character which looks real, then you can use this website. This website is known as character.ai. With the help of this character.ai, you can create a real character. First of all, when you will click here, you should log in it. And when you will log in it, you will come here on this screen. After that, click on this create option and choose character. Here you can create voice and you can create character also. So first of all, just click on create and character option. After that, click here on character name. You can upload image. If suppose if you want to create something similar like that, then you can upload image and otherwise you can click on generate image. So I just want to generate the image. Describe character. What does your character look like? Suppose I want my character will look like Indian woman wearing sari. Just example. Okay. And then after that, you should click on this generate option. When we click on the generate option, whatever you have described, the images will come something like this. Which image you like most? Just click on that one and just click on this select option. So now,
Oh, you
my,
want with sari? Oh,
yes, ma'am.
no, ma'am, no. Continue, continue.
Okay. After this, it is showing character name. Suppose my character name, I'm mentioning my name, Rati. Tagline, add short tagline of your character. Uh, a simple coder. How would your character describe themselves? It will describe about coding. My topic is coding, so that's why I'm taking it. Greetings. You can type whatever it is here. You can type same like hello. I am Rati. Means this is your choice. No need to do the same thing. You can, if you don't want, then no need to type here. You can add the voice also. Right now, I'm just typing hello. I am Rati. You can type your text, means your description, and you can type your greetings. Welcome to Code. Now allow dynamic greetings. If I will click here, then it will come in a different greeting style. The maximum character you can take 2048. Now we will add the voice. When I will click here, you can choose the voice as per your choice. If you want, you can upload your voice. Otherwise, you can. When you will click here, because my character name is.
Ooh, did I scare you? Love a good thrill.
Now I'm showing you the other one.
Ready to sparkle? I'm here to add some shine to your day.
For example, I'm taking this. And after that, create character. Visibility public. So anybody can see. So I want to make it public, then create character. Now within few seconds, your character will be here. Now, as you can see, a simple coder, it is here. Now anybody
Hello,
can
Modern
check.
Sheet 3322. How can I help you today?
Okay, so if I want to message anybody, then I can message it here and you can create your character. If I will click on this call, Lati, then it will come and it will make the call me directly. And here you can also choose this. If anybody will click on this scanner, he will get my face. Okay, right now I'm going to back. Let me cut the call. So in this way, you can create your own character. Okay, I hope this thing is clear for you. Now, if you want to generate the image, so you will click on upload image, and after that uploading the image, you can choose any image. After clicking here, your image will be generated. As I have clicked on upload image, then my this image has come. Let me choose one. Suppose I'm taking this one. I'm taking the front face curve. Now just mention the character name. I'm just typing here Rita, tagline and at all, whatever you want, and just click on create. Okay. Hi, I am Rita. And suppose I'm taking this one and click on create character. Then Your character will be here. This is your AI character. So like this, you can create any character. Here you can see Sneha Das. This is the character of Sneha Das. This is also AI character.
But they will move, right? We give one topic, mean they can move, right?
Yeah, they can move. One more thing I can show you. This is the other one, aistudio.com. If you want, we can do with this also. Uh-oh, wait a
You
minute.
are writing all this, all regarding the AI only. Because we got one chart, right?
Ma'am, not only for AI. I have mentioned it many things.
Oh, that is your list, right?
Yeah, this is my
Oh,
list.
okay.
Yeah, not only for AI, many things are here. Actually, lots of websites are here and it's hard to remember everything. So that's why. So I'm using here aistudio.com. Let's click on this agree.
Ma'am,
AI
from your
video.
okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
the features are here that AI Avtaar, AI voice, terms and workspace, video translation. I'm choosing AI Avtaar. When I will click on this AI Avtaar, it will load and then it will come. The first one I have told you that is character one. This is AI Avtaar website. Okay, now these types of avatar you can create. These all are AI, as you can see here. Sound is also here. Okay, so first of all, try AI Studio for free. Whatever you like, you can purchase that one. No need to purchase everything. If you want to create a realistic character, then this AI Studio is superb. It's a good option. You have to connect with your Gmail ID as in front of you. I'm just connecting it. When it will connect, then the create button will be visible. So it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes for connecting it. Uh, just typing randomly. You can choose any because it's just a simple question, but we can't skip it. Now, these all are the avatar. These are the sample. If you want, you can choose this one. With the help of this girl, you can create your project. With the help of this girl, you can create your project. Many girls are here. See, whatever you want, you just choose that girl and then you can create your project. For example, I'm choosing this just for example. I'm clicking on it.
Hello, my name is Hayden, and I am an avatar developed by Deep Brain AI. Let's
Fine.
make a video
It
together.
is ready to use. So I will click on this. I like this model. So I'm clicking on this, try this model. When I will click on this model, let it be upload. Now my model is here. You know very well how to change the background at all. And the all options are here. Now, my model is ready. Right now, it is showing because I'm not using pro version, I'm using free version. Okay, so I'm just typing here, hello friends. You can type here your script. Okay, so whatever I will type, it will speak that thing. Let it be load. This is the original voice. If you want, you can change the voice also. If you
Ma'am,
want, you
how
can
long
create.
also they can talk, right? Or they have
From
time.
20,000, it is showing, see, 20,000.
Okay.
At the bottom, it is showing. So you can type here 20,000 characters. All options are here. If you want to use templates, then see many templates are here. Suppose I'm using this template. Just for example, it is just like Canva, which you used already. It is coming here. Now I'm choosing this one. It will come here. Now I just want to replace this. I'm just clicking here, Control C, and in place of this character, I'm going to delete by delete key, and then you can add this character here after doing copy and paste. I have done selected, copy, Control C, and then you will come here to the right click and paste, and then your character will be here. Full body, and I want to set the position, bring to front. Okay, my character is not visible here with this guide. So we can do it's loading. Yes. Now it is ready, and whatever I have typed, it will be show there. Right now it is showing no scene ID because I haven't created anything here. But if you want, you can create the ID and then it will. Let me show you the preview. This is my first scene.
Mm.
If you will type here something, let it be load. I haven't added any voice, but both are ready. Now I'll just come back to the first scene as we have made here already. Voice is this. I have mentioned here, hello friends. At the bottom side, AI script assistant is there and generate the script. I want a script for Python. Generate. Everything is here. Then the script is ready. You just click on this apply. Oh, okay. I want dialogue. It is okay. Tell me about Python. Actually, I have mentioned script. That's why it has done the coding. Now click on apply. It is here. Now let me play. Okay. Scene speed, avatar, effect. I think there is no need for effect. Add pause button, dictionary, everything is fine. And this is the language one, 2% and 1%. And this is the voice. If you have the converse model, the current conversation will discard. If you want, then you can record yourself also. After doing all these things, when I will click on this publish template, right now I'm just using this one. I'm just using my first one only. Let me click here and remove scene. And now publish template. One workspace, select category, tag my multi-language. I want only English. Click on save. Go to dashboard, copy. Now let me show you. It will be movable. Let it be load, then the voice can come. This is a realistic one.
Yeah.
Okay. If you
Okay.
want, ma'am, you can try it right now.